Hello, what I'm going to show you today at ABD Tools is the Easy Tap Splitter. This is the tool that you need when you're trying to undo your tap head nut here to replace your washer for dripping taps or fix the tap for whatever reason. You'll find these are super tight. So the Easy Tap Splitter is the tool you'll need for taking this off. Do not attempt to do it with a big spanner and holding this because you'll spin it and cause a big problem. So this is the compact tap splitter. This is the most economical one that we do, so quite a lot of these, and this is suitable if you just doing the one-off tap every now and then. We recommend this one. So I'll quickly go through the components. First of all, you receive it like that. Take off the rubber bands like this. Just take them off. That, and then you've got the adjusting spanner there. I'll show you that in a minute. The pull spanner, which is this here. Put that to the side for a second, and then you've got the spout sleeve with the M8 eye bolt in the centre. Take the nut and washers off like that. Put them to the side. Take out the eye bolt, which is that there, and put that to the side, and then you've got the spout sleeve with the sleeve liners like that inside. Two sleeve liners, I'll show you what they do in a second. And then inside here you'll have the hex inserts adapters for fitting the majority of single taps, and the sizes are 17mm, 17.5mm, 19mm and 22mm. Now I do know on this tap it's 22mm, so you've got the 4X insert. Take the 22mm, take the tap handle off. This one's already been taken off. We do tools for taking this off should this be stuck as well. So the first thing you do is to get hold of the hex insert and place it inside the pull spanner like that. I do a clamp on the end of this to hold it in. So you just get a Phillips screwdriver, undo the screw, loosen it, push the insert inside the spanner. There's two ways of doing this, by the way. You can do it one notch there or one notch up, but adjust the angle. Try it like this first. Okay, that's the insert inside. Put the clamp on like that and just tighten up the screw. Hold it in place. Now this long screw here, just back it off with your fingers. Show what that does now. Put that, just back it off like that. Place it over the tap at approximately 45 degrees, and this screw now will hold the spanner kind of horizontal. Just hold it in place like that. Next thing you know is get the spout sleeve on your tap. Place it over the spout of your tap. It's too loose, you can see, so use the rubber liners. Put the first rubber liner in to reduce the diameter down like that. Put it on. Still too loose, then use the second rubber. This is a very thin spout, by the way. Use the second rubber liner and put that inside the first rubber liner like that. So it reduces it right down. Nice soft rubber liners won't damage the chrome on your taps. Put that over. That's perfect. That's okay. Then get your eye bolt, which is this, and place it over the lobe on the end of the spanner there, and then put the other end into the slot like that. Then you've got these here, the domed washer. Put the dome washer with the dome part towards the blue spout sleeve, and then put the flat rubber washer over the top of that. And screw the nut on finger tight to start with, like that, until you feel it kind of tighten up. Right, that's sort of tight now. Then get the small adjusting spanner, place it onto the nut, and just keep turning it like that. And you can see what's happening. It will pull with massive pressure the spanner towards the spout and crack the joint here. You only need to turn it about 1/8 of an inch or about 2 or 3 millimeters, and it'll crack that and it'll become loose. So turn that with your finger like that, and that will guaranteed, without any strain on the tap itself, to crack it. So that is a quick explanation of the compact tap splitter from ABD Tools. We do the easy tap splitter, which is this coming in a case. We do the Posiback tap splitter and the Tap Kit Pro. So this is the most inexpensive one, the compact tap splitter from ABD Tools. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching.